Shikamo kids, today we will start with the new chapter. Which chapter is that? Anyone guess? Chapter number 8. Yes, our vehicles. Yes, today we will see the means of transport and different vehicles we use to travel different places, right? So, the first one. Oh, what is this? Ho 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 ho. Which month is this? Anyone know? Yes, this is a Christmas month. Yes. Do you anyone know Santa Claus was traveling in which vehicle? You want to see? Let's start. We will see which vehicle is that? Anyone know? Sleigh. Yes, sleigh with the reindeers. See, in the front, the reindeers are there. So many reindeers are there. In that, Santa Claus travel and give gifts to all the family members. Right. So, this month is full of enjoyment. This is the month of Christmas. Right. So, now we will see what's there in the chapter. Okay. Our vehicles. We move on foot or use vehicles to move from one place to another. Yes, while traveling or we move through our foot. Yes, but we to travel to different places we use vehicles. Different means of transport we use. Right. Moving from one place to another is called traveling. Yani means that you if you are traveling to your uncle aunt's place or your grandfather's place or any other place, so that is called traveling. If you are moving from one place to another, that is called traveling. Then vehicles that help us to travel are called means of travel. Yes, in which vehicle we are going. If like for example car or bus, any vehicle we are using, that vehicle is called means of transport travel. Okay, now we will see some more pictures. Let's go. See, name the vehicles shown in the picture below. You have to see the pictures and you have to name it. Okay. The first one. Which picture is that? Anyone know? Yes, it's a bullock cart. Yes, very good. Now the next picture. Anyone can guess? Have you traveled in this? Yes. What's it's called? Auto rickshaw. Yes. Then which means of travel is there? Vehicle is there? Car. Yes, all uses the car. Yes. Now which vehicle is this? Anyone know? Motorcycle. Yes. Then which is this? Scooter. Yes, all must be having at your home, right? Now up to here everyone understood different vehicles names. Okay, now there's a task for you all. That what's that? Write down which vehicle you use while coming to school. Okay, this you don't have to write in your notebook, just write in the rough. I will ask in the online section. Okay, which vehicle you are using while coming to school. You can draw also. Okay, if you are expert in drawing, I know you all kids are expert in drawing, so you can draw also and show it me on the online session, right? Up to here everyone understood? Okay, keep learning. Take care. Bye.